Hey friends, welcome back to another Self-Talk Sunday. These are little mindset resets you can carry with you all week long, especially when the cravings creep in or when motivation runs low. Today's reminder is one I think you'll love. It's about discipline. Now, when most people think about the word discipline, they imagine something harsh, restriction, forcing yourself to white knuckle through cravings. I want you to reframe discipline with me today. Discipline isn't punishment. Discipline is simply remembering what you really want. Think about it. When you're staring down a basket of warm bread or at the Halloween candy dish, uh, it feels like discipline is saying no. But actually, discipline is saying yes. Yes to your goals, yes to your health, and yes to the future version of yourself with more energy, fewer medications, and a body to be proud to live in. Here's the self talk I want you to practice. Right now, this craving is loud, but what I really want is bigger than this moment. I want to reverse my insulin resistance. I want my blood pressure to go down. I want to walk into next year lighter, stronger, and more confident. That's what I really want. Do you see the difference? Instead of battling with yourself, you're aligning with yourself. You're choosing long-term satisfaction over short-term distraction. So the next time you're tempted, don't grit your teeth and think, oh, I have to be disciplined. Instead, gently remind yourself, discipline is just remembering what I really want. And you know what? When you live from that place, discipline doesn't feel like deprivation anymore. It feels like self respect. If this little reset helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And if you're ready to take your low carb journey deeper, grab my ebook, Keto Made Simple. It's packed with science, strategies, and tools you'll need to stay focused on your why and finally make keto doable for life. You'll find it in the link below.